Because I had like a year ago or 2 years an existential fatigue. So I was very confused with why I wanted to manifest. I wasn't sure what.
But what we're getting at is that's two sentences that you've offered to us that we've played with you about, because it's words that you hear around, but they're not words that are accurate to what's going on. As you begin feeling more about what's really going on, then you have a better and better opportunity to come into vibrational alignment with them. And so what we're suggesting is that if you can get to the heart of what you're feeling, then we can have some conversations and some things can happen fast. So true to what we've been talking about already, let's start this creation the way we were describing that creations begin. What is at the heart of this question? What are you feeling? And it doesn't matter if you think it's a positive or a negative thing. What is the feeling that is inducing this conversation? What's the feeling?
Exhaustion.
Well, isn't that good to know? I'm tired. So here's a part of the answer. You're tired because you're using action for things instead of using energy. And the action that you're using is working against. And so that is exhausting. So then what does that make you want to say?
What does it make me?
What did our answer then make you want to reply? You said exhausted, and we said that's because you're going about it the hard way. You're not going about it with the path of least resistance. You're not using energy and non-physical resources if you're exhausted. And so then what's the next thing that you want to say to us?
The first thing that comes to my mind is keep at it at being a...
Say what?
Keep at it at being a service. Doing even more.
Keep doing the things that exhaust me? Really? Doing the same thing that doesn't work over and over and over again, expecting it to start working. And so that's what a lot of people are doing with their actions. So what do you mean about service?
Well, and this existential fatigue, right? Doing the same, I agree, doing the same thing, expecting different results. It's a definition of insanity. I don't want to keep doing the same things. But when I was lost, and what I do next, what do I manifest next? But
you see, here's the thing. When you feel lost, and it's been going on for a while, so you're really feeling it, there's another end of the stick that's activated that is found. There's lost, and there's secure, and there's timid and afraid, and there's confident. And so even though you can't feel this, we're trying to convince you that it does exist and that your inner being is there. So knowing that, or even suspecting that that might be a little bit true, wouldn't your next question be, well, how do I find the found? And we say, look for it where it is. Well, where is it? It hasn't manifested yet. It's not in my bank account yet. Well, don't look for it where it isn't. Look for it where it is. But Abraham, I can't see it where it is. You just told me that it's just a smear, or that it's just a vibration. I can't look for it where it really is, which is right. You can't look for it or sniff for it. But you could